Polymarket isn't just a place where people bet on future events. For experienced participants, it has become something very different, a battlefield of pricing errors, micro inefficiencies, and nearly guaranteed profits. While most users try to guess outcomes, professionals aren't betting at all. They are extracting value from the structure of the market itself, without prediction, without emotion, and in some cases, without risk. Polymarket has quietly become one of the most profitable environments in decentralized prediction markets. Here, users don't win by being right more often. They win by spotting inefficiencies. Differences in quotes, even fractions of a cent, create opportunities for what traders call pure arbitrage. Here's how. Each market is structured so that all outcomes together settle at $1 total. If, for any reason, the combined price of all outcomes is less than $1, a guaranteed profit appears. Imagine this. Yes equals 57 cents, no equals 42 cents, total equals 99 cents. Buy both sides, lock in 1 cent instantly. That's a 1% risk-free yield. On paper, it looks tiny, but multiply this across dozens of trades per day, with capital in the tens of thousands, and the numbers become very real very quickly. But there's a catch. Arbitrage opportunities on Polymarket last only a few seconds. Human traders simply can't react fast enough anymore. Today, these opportunities are captured almost exclusively by bots, custom engines running on Polygon nodes, monitoring thousands of markets in real time. When mispricings appear, these bots trigger instant trades, correcting the market and capturing the spread. What used to be a pure risk-free play has evolved into a competition of speed and infrastructure. The winners? Those with the fastest connections, the cleanest code, and the lowest latency. It's no longer just trading, it's computational warfare measured in milliseconds. Not all strategies rely on milliseconds. Some rely on certainty. One of the most popular approaches among advanced participants is known as the Endgame Sweep. The idea is simple. When an outcome reaches near certainty, somewhere in the 0.95 to 0.99 probability range, professionals step in and buy the final fraction of upside. They hold it until the market formally resolves. It's a trade-off, time exchanged for certainty. When retail players lock profits at 98 cents, large participants calmly take the remaining fractions and scale up their returns on volume. But these trades are not completely risk-free. Black swan events, sudden reversals, unexpected rulings, or political shocks can turn certainty into chaos. Even a tiny chance of disruption can flip what looked like a safe trade into a painful loss. Polymarket has evolved far beyond its original purpose. It's no longer just a place where people place bets. It's a complex ecosystem where algorithms hunt mispricings, professionals compete on speed, traders harvest basis points at huge scale, and certainty trades operate like fixed income instruments. Prediction markets were once about predicting the future. Today, the most successful participants focus not on outcomes, but on inefficiencies. This shift, from betting to arbitrage, is reshaping the entire landscape of decentralized markets. Whether you're a casual observer or an active participant, one thing is clear. Polymarket has become a new kind of financial battlefield, where intelligence, speed, and precision matter far more than prediction. If markets are a reflection of collective belief, then Polymarket is increasingly a reflection of collective technology. If you found this breakdown valuable, and you want more content on market structure, trading edges, and hidden opportunities in crypto, make sure to like the video, subscribe Asymmetry Labs, and turn on notifications so you never miss new analysis.